video we'll start testing a modern car, unfortunately, with so it's got a no start problem, but as you can see there is fuel going to the cylinders. I suspect compression as well, so it has to be an electrical problem. There's only three things to make the car work: spark, air, or compression, which is usually not the case, and fuel. So fuel is good. We have good compression. If you just put your hand here and it sucks, so it has to be an electrical problem. And you can sort of hear by the sound that there is you can hear some sparking sounds. So it's an electrical problem. You can see the fuel coming out through the injectors there.